Hey there, I am Kirill Kirkov from Full Stack Ninja. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most powerful control structures in Python, the while loop. If you're new to programming or just starting to learn Python, you might be wondering what a while loop is and why it's so important. Don't worry, we'll explain everything in a way that's easy to understand. In Python, a while loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly as long as a certain condition is true. This can be very useful when you need to repeat a certain task multiple times. Let's take a look at an example. Say we want to print the numbers from 1 to 5 using a while loop. In this example, we create a variable called I and assign it the value of 1. We then use a while loop to check whether I is less than or equal to 5. If it is, we print the value of I and increment I by 1. We can also use a while loop to repeat a task until a certain condition is met. For example, let's say we want to ask the user to enter a number until they enter a number that is greater than 10. In this example, we create a variable called number and assign it the value of 0. We then use a while loop to check whether number is less than or equal to 10. If it is, we ask the user to enter a number and convert it to an integer. We keep repeating this process until the user enters a number that is greater than 10. While loops can be very powerful and are often used in many different programming tasks. However, it's important to be careful when using them, as they can potentially run forever if the condition is never met. So that's a quick overview of the while loop in Python. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!